What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's time to get rid of this ugly ass bumper and install the JDM bumper that I got. So I've been wanting this bumper for the longest time, and I finally came across a deal that I had to just get it. So I went ahead and got it. So now it's time to install it. Oh, Fishy wants to show you guys something.
Right. For most of you guys who are here for the channel for the Celica, I'm gonna give you guys just a little bit of what I've done to it in the last week. Anyways, I just got my roof wrapped not too long ago, a week ago probably. It looks pretty cool. I like it. It looks like a little different car, but it came out pretty cool. And now back to Shu, because this is about his Evo and not about the Celica. We'll keep you guys updated on the Celica, so stick around for more content. This is what I'm gonna have to do next week to my car too.
Why?
Because I'm installing the rear lift.
So yeah, we just painted a rear lip for Fishy's car, and we'll show you guys when we install that. I've been watching some YouTube videos. I guess there's a bolt right there. Can you see that?
You have washer fluid?
There's another bolt here, which are the easiest thing to do. So we'll do this first.
So what are you doing?
Removing this bolt right here.
How many bolts is it in total?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't?
I'm just removing what I see. How long is that? God damn. One.
Make sure you don't lose them.
Alright, so after removing that bolt and this bolt, we're gonna go ahead and remove right in there. And there's a second one right there. Oh, there's a third one. So let's remove those four, and then we'll continue from there. The bolts are out. So now we're gonna have to remove the tail lights and then the license plate. So pretty easy stuff so far. Do this.
I hate those plastic ones, they strip so easily. You can take it off now.
I don't know if you had to take this one off, so yeah, anyways.
I'm pretty sure you do. I had to motivate him to freaking take off the bumper because he didn't want to do it. He said it was too hot.
Freaking hot, man.
That's why you wear shorts.
Who wants to do his work in the hot weather? I'm not sure if you have to remove this light, but I'm still gonna do it because I know there's a wiring harness in there, so I'm just gonna remove it just in case.
Just to be safe.
It's gonna be deleted anyways because the JDM bumper doesn't have it, so I'm just gonna cover it up with like a plastic bag and have it hanging somewhere around there.
Well, anyways guys, Shu is actually gonna try to paint the bumper the exact same color. Well, he got the exact same paint already. How much did you say it was? Like 95 a quart?
Yeah.
That is hella expensive. My paint was 25 a quart. I'm pretty sure mine's not gonna last very long anyways. But still, 95, holy crap. He's gonna try to make the same paint, like the same formation of it. Try to make it look slick and everything. I don't know, man. It gets scary. We started at 2 p.m. Started to like sort of pretend know what we're doing, removing the bumper. Well, anyways, it's been pretty easy so far, just bolt removal. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some hard parts. I don't know what he's doing. Like, I'm too poor for an Evo, so. What are you doing?
Too poor for an Evo, fish. I'm just jacking up the car so we can get to one of the bolts that's right here. Connects the bumper with the fender. And after that, we'll see where we're at.
You're gonna have to remove the wheel? So we all know that shoe fucking goes like drifting and stuff, like some Ken Block shit. A bunch of dirt came out of just one bolt. Look at that! Holy shit!
Alright, let's go to the other one. Let's check out the other one.
And look at that fender rolling. He did it with the bat.
Oh, you know what? I have to do the other side too. I forgot.
I would not risk doing it with the bat.
And the Voltex body kit uses the stock truck.
Alright, so those are the other bolts you have to remove. And if you have mud flaps, we forgot to tell you. Well, I kind of forgot recording about this part. You have to take like one bolt off. What was it, like one bolt?
Yeah, it's just the bottom bolt that connects the bumper and the plastic.
That way you don't rip off the plastic.
Okay. Just one bolt that connects the bumper to the fender.
And then
a quarter panel, whatever it's called. I don't even know what it's called, man. It's something with the car.
Don't yank it off too much with too much confidence.
Oh my god, look at all that freaking... Oh, I broke this one.
See, told you don't rip it off with too much confidence.
Oh, it's hot. Alright, so just to gently pull down and bumper came off. Now let's see if this comes off over here. Oh.
What the? Oh. 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 Oh.
Before you pull off the bumper, there is a wire harness that's connected, so it's literally like plug and play. Just disconnect that, and I think there's another one on the other side, so
I don't think so. I didn't see it.
just do that.
I need one of these.
Damn, fish! I bet you didn't know Shadow had one of these, huh?
Is that a turbo whistle I see in there?
There it is. Old stock bumper. So these rivets are gonna have to come out, and we're gonna be drilling those. And there's some more right here. All of these to get, well, not all, yeah, all of those to get this harness off with this little bracket or big bracket. Put that on the other bumper. Oh, yeah, I forgot. So basically all the bolts that we started off with right there, the ones in here and the ones that were up here are all 10s, right?
And the ones on the side.
And the ones on the side, they're all 10s. So now we gotta take off the crash beam, because either I get the JDM one, which I don't have, or we just take it off because I don't want to cut it, and you know that's the only way to have the JDM rear bumper on the US car. USDM.
I can't do more out.
Damn! The fitting is right on point. Look at that. Check that out. Clean. So now to drill these rivets out, which I'm not looking forward to doing, but it has to be done. That's gonna be fun. Well guys, we ran into an issue.
I don't have my credit card. I don't have any cash in the ice-cream man is here. That's our problem.
Everything lines up except for the license plate issue where the lights hang out of the bumper. So these lights should be inside here, but you can't put them in there because the bracket is already lined up, so there's no way to make it go in. So I think I'm just gonna have to modify this bracket and drill out these rivets and put them lower so that the lights sit higher and you can't see them. Needing to modify the bracket actually worked. Kind of embarrassed to show you guys this, but I used wire to hold the bracket and the piece that actually is holding the license plate, because the license plate is held by this bracket and this bracket is held on by this thing right here. So it works out. The license plate is on. It's nice and straight, and the lights are tucked under there, so no cutting was necessary. And now all there's left to do is to put the rivets in the holes, which are already there, and bam, back to putting it on the Evo. The bumper is on, the license plate looks good, and you can see the exhaust big time. All the bolts went in pretty good, no major issues. So yeah, now I'm just gonna put the tail lights back on, and I'm gonna pull it out so I can take a good look at it. Okay, so I came to this little spot that I always go to. It's always nice and peaceful, and there's hardly any cars. Just to show you guys the bumper a little bit better, I'm gonna walk around the car and show you guys how the bumper looks. It looks freaking good. Like, I love it. I've always wanted this bumper. I just never really like spent the money to buy it, and now that I found it for a good deal, I went ahead and got it. Damn, look at that. Yeah. Oh my god, you can see that exhaust. God, it looks good. Hold on, let me turn off my lights. I don't know why I have my lights on. So you can see the license plate. I customized the bracket. I think they sell like a bracket for the JDM bumper for USDM cars. But I mean, it's not that hard. It wasn't that hard. You just had to make a couple holes and lift up the lights. Front bumper still looking good. I don't know, I kind of like the unpainted look. It makes it look a lot more aggressive. What do you guys think? I didn't get to film much because I got pretty busy with all the drilling, and I was getting kind of frustrated. It took me about 3.5 hours, when honestly it takes about an hour. It was my first time. I've never taken the rear bumper off, and I had to customize the bracket. That was the main thing, but it worked. I made it happen, and I'm freaking happy. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Fishy got a new rear lip for his Celica, and we'll show you that on the next video. Hopefully Jose can cruise over too. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys.